before sunrise, silver coins and mother's cries, threads of hemp and stitched old signs, stories carried through the lines. A daughter leaves, but not alone. She carries blood, she carries home, not bought with cattle, gold, or fame, but joined by love and family name. For centuries our elders knew a marriage takes the work of two. Respect was given, honor shown, two hearts together build one home. A Hmong bride is not for sale, not a price upon her veil. The dowry's just a sacred way to thank the hands that raised the day. And from her side the gifts return for the fire the couple burns. Two families lifting life as one beneath the moon and rising sun. Her mother folds the woven cloth, her father speaks with steady thought. The groom arrives with humbled grace, no shame, no chains, no marketplace. They share the rice, they pour the wine, ancient vows through space and time, a promise made by mutual will to stand through sorrow, standing still. Do not twist what you don't know from shallow words that quickly grow. Our customs born from sacrifice, not something used to weaponize. A Hmong bride is not for sale, not a number, weight, or scale. The dowry honors those before who walked through hunger, war, and more. And her own kin will also give, so newlyweds can start to live a shared tradition, old and true, a bond of red, green, white, and blue. From mountain lands to foreign shores, we carried songs and ancient laws. Not every custom should be torn by minds too quick to judge with scorn. Teach the young to understand our meaning, passed from hand to hand. For culture dies when truth is bent and pride is lost through false intent. A Hmong bride is not for sale, let the truth outlive the tale. Her marriage built through love and trust, through mutual vows and sacred dust. Two families joined in deep energy, bound by kin and history. And through the years the elders say, respect will keep our roots alive today.